Hi, it's Mr. Wright back with question number 3 from the dimensional analysis worksheet 1. What is the density of sugar in grams per cubic centimeter if 100 pounds occupies 1.008 cubic feet? So, in setting up for this, right, we're starting with our 100 pounds. If we think of that as a density, right, 100 pounds, so it's mass over volume per 1.008 feet cubed. Again, we want it in grams per centimeter cubed. So first thing we need to do is we're going to switch our pounds out. We're going to say that 1 pound is 454 grams. Sorry, that's 454 grams. Then we need to get rid of cubic feet. Again, I don't know how many cubic feet there are, or how many cubic inches there are in a cubic foot. However, I do know a conversion factor that in 1 foot there are 12 inches, and so if we want to talk about cubic feet, we would cube the 1 foot, and we would cube the 12 inches. Again, now we want it in centimeters cubed. I don't know that conversion between cubic inches and cubic centimeters. However, I do know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. And I know that if I cube 1 inch and I cube 2.54 centimeters, I'm going to get to my answer. If we look quickly at labels, right, pounds cancel pounds, cubic feet cancel cubic feet, cubic inches cancel cubic inches, and so our answer will be in grams per centimeter cubed. And in that particular case, the math is going to work out to 1.591 grams per centimeter cubed. And that is how you do question number 3.